Hi, today we'll be seeing simultaneous equation in which the variables are joined, means they are compounded like, and they are in the denominator. So we can see in the first equation the denominator is x plus y and the second denominator is x minus y. In the second equation there is again x minus y and x plus y. So what we will do here, we will make the x plus y and x minus y, we will convert it into, let it be x plus y be a and x minus y be b. So the equations turn out to be 20 by a plus 3 by b is equal to 7, and the second equation turns out to be 8 by b minus 15 by a is equal to 5. Now we can see here that a and b are the denominators in both the equations and the numerators are 20 and 15. So we will make the numerator of any of the variables same. So here we can make the numerator of a same or the numerator of b same. So I am making here the numerator of a same. What is the numerator of a? 20 and 15. What is the LCM of 20 and 15? 20 and 15 LCM is 60. So I will try to make this 15 as 60 and this 20 as 60. Fine. So to do that, what I need to do? I need to multiply this whole equation with 3 and this whole equation with 4. Then it will turn out to be 20 into 3, 60 upon A plus 9 upon B is equal to 21. And the second equation will become 8 fours are 32 by b minus 15. This 15 into 4, we are multiplying only the numerators. 15 into 4, that is 60 upon a is equal to 20. Now we will solve these two equations. Now here 60 by a and 60 by a, the signs are different, so no need to change the sign. We will subtract. 60 plus 60 by a minus 60 by a get cancels. Now we will do the operation on b. 9 by b plus 32 by b is equal to 21 plus 22. 21 plus 22 becomes 41 and 32 plus 9 becomes 41b. So the value of b is, b goes here and 41 comes here down. So it becomes 41 by 41 is equal to b, that is b is equal to 1. Now we will find the value of a. Now we will put the value of b in the first equation, this equation. So it turns out to be 20 by a plus 3 by 1 is equal to 7. Fine. So 20 by a is equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4. So again a goes up and 4 comes down. So it becomes 20 by 4 is equal to a, that is a is 5. Now we got the value of a and b. b is 1 and a is 5. So now we have assumed here x plus y is a. So we will write here x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to b. So we will write x minus y is equal to 1. We'll solve it. Plus y minus y get cancels and 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. So x turns out to be 6 by 2, that is 3. And what about y? We'll put in any of these two equations the value of x. So x is 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. This is how we solve a simultaneous equation in which the variables are in this form.